so let's talk about Oneacademy. What is Oneacademy? Oneacademy basically is an interactive e-learning platform that allows you, the user, to interact with various tools that will allow you to improve your financial literacy. As you would know, Oneacademy is the heartbeat of the One Life network. So you would be spending a lot of time getting familiarized with basic financial literacy that will help you, the user. I'm on my laptop right now. You click any of the browsers that you're comfortable with. I like Google Chrome. So in your menu bar, you see that menu bar you see on top of the screen. You're going to type in www.oneacademy.eu. All the websites in the One Life network ends with EU, so it's always very easy. So it brings up this website, the Oneacademy website. And in this Oneacademy website, there's a lot of information. You can actually see what is Oneacademy, the categories, the key benefits, a lot of testimonies, and so on. So what we're going to do on our top right-hand corner, we are now going to log in. That's most important. Where you're going to get that information? Your One Life network credentials. So what you would have actually been given or what you would have created for yourself, you're going to use those same credentials right here. Right, so I'm just using mine. And it's going to take us to our back office. Presto, it's going to say hello. In this case, it's hello Larry, and you're going to see all the courses that you would have done. In this case, I would have completed a major part of the courses. A lot of information here, as you can see, in your back office. But Introduction to Finance is what we're talking about. So let's click a little bit about Introduction to Finance. When you go into your back office and you click Introduction to Finance, it's going to give you a little course description about what the course is all about and possibly the difficulty level. As you can see here, your knowledge level and additional information. Not very difficult. And of course, the curriculum. The top one shows you Introduction to Finance PDF. That's what you're going to do. You're going to literally click on the Introduction to Finance, and it's literally going to download it as a PDF. In this case, it's basically 70 pages. You can download it, print it, and keep it so that you don't always have to go in your back office to look at it, or maybe go on your computer. You can go anywhere, even on your smartphone device, you could literally download it and read it wherever you go on the go. All the other materials that you're seeing here, risk return, asset classes, fundamentals of finance, etc., are all videos. So these videos complement what you're studying in the Introduction to Finance. And when you're basically ready, we have the Introduction to Finance quiz. It's not a test, it's just a quiz. It just has about 20 questions. It helps you to maybe jog your memory as to some of the key principles as what you must cover to really have a general working idea of what Introduction to Finance basically is. All right, so once again, you go into your web browser, you type in www.oneacademy.eu, you log in with your One Life credentials, and this is basically what comes up. You basically see all the courses that you've signed up for in your package or packages that you would have bought, and you just go through the material. It's self-explanatory. Also, in the back office has tons of videos that you now can download and look at in your own time. Those videos are designed specifically to help reinforce the information that you would be reading in the Level 1 Oneacademy. When you talk about value for money, the Oneacademy truly gives you value for your money, because you're not only getting the One Life network, but you're also getting access to so many other things. Here in the Oneacademy, we spoke a lot about logging in and the materials that you're actually getting. But here's what I want you to take a look at. In the top right-hand corner, you see the word free. It's always a magical word, isn't it? And at Oneacademy, it is a magical word, because this Oneacademy free talks about what? Super TED. It truly is an amazing course that really helps your children from ages 5 to 12 to discuss the basic of finance. So in this Super TED, here's what we're going to do. We're going to click on comics, and it's going to bring up a whole lot of stuff that you're really going to be impressed upon. In the comics, it talks about the adventures of Super TED in terms of how you can teach your children in a very structured, easy way. So Here's the page that talks about it. It's the One World Foundation that deals a lot with the work we're talking about in terms of the children and so on. So, in this manual, you see empower children to reach their potential through education and long-term support. That is basically what the Oneacademy covers. It shows you how you can educate your children very, very easily. So let's look at the Super TED. You can see the history of money, and if you click here, you can actually see some materials. It's like a comic book that you can actually use digitally. You can actually read it online, or if you so choose, you can download it on your smartphone and actually go through it with them, or print it. And in some cases, if you attend many of the events, you will also get the books. The books are also available as well. And we talk about the history of money, making the money go around, different ways to make money, how do dreams come true, all right? What are banks? Where is the money stored? Your finance market, supply and demand, risk and insurance. Imagine talking to your children at ages 5 to 12 about the diversity of this information. Just think about it for a moment. What if you had this information when you were a child? Where would you possibly would have been? This is the power of the Oneacademy, guys, that you want to take advantage of. So, Oneacademy gives you so much value, and this is one of the major values. Why? Because education for your next generation is important. And that's why we at the Oneacademy are very serious, and Dr. Roger would have spent a lot of time through the One World Foundation. Wonderful. Now that you've downloaded the materials in the Oneacademy and you've accessed the materials together with the training videos, here's what you do now. Continue being a good student, because you know that Oneacademy is in fact the heartbeat of the One Life Network. Now, I welcome you to join the Zoom discussions Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. And of course, we are simulcasting this on Facebook Live as well, so you can actually access it on the ODT Facebook Caribbean. All right, thanks once again, and I do hope you enjoy your Oneacademy learning. Happy learning.